Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is different from what I've been posting on my channel, but if you liked this look, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and of course, comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. And also let me know if you guys want to see more looks, or basically tell me what you guys would like to see here on my channel. Hey guys, so it's pretty obvious by now that I'm doing a makeup look, and I know it's not something I normally do on this channel, but I decided to change things up a bit. And of course, I'm gonna do a voiceover at some parts, and then for the rest of it I'm gonna speed it up and make it real nice so you guys can enjoy it. I'm using the Carly Bible palette, and if you guys can tell, it's like more of a neutral palette, which I love very much because I'm always going for like a neutral look, and most of my looks are gonna be neutral. So I'm using like the mauvey tones. I decided to do like a half cut crease, and then cutting my crease, I normally put the product to look up, and then wherever the line is, that's where I bring the concealer to, so it's easier to cut my crease.